Hey guys, my name is Katie and this is my first ever cleaning video, so please be patient with me because I'm learning. I love watching these on YouTube. I think they are so relaxing and inspiring. After I watch a cleaning video, I'm always a little more motivated to get something done. One thing that's nice about a one-bedroom apartment is that if you do a room a day, it only takes 3 days to clean. But to be honest, I never do a room a day. More like a room every few weeks. Or months. But still. Just had to check and make sure I was filming. I felt nervous filming myself for some reason, which I didn't expect because I think these videos are pretty laid back. If you notice, sometimes I just toss stuff into the other room. I like to start by just putting things in the room they belong in to organize my thoughts. That book I'm holding is our Dungeons & Dragons book. We've really been enjoying playing that with our friends on the weekends. It's our newest obsession. Alright, now that the clutter is gone, I'm just doing a little wipe down of the counters. I love these Pacific Breeze and Coconut Clorox wipes. I normally hate all things coconut, but this is an exception. Our spray is the same scent, and our toilet bowl cleaner, and our bathtub cleaner. I'm obsessed. Now onto the living room. I'd filmed a video earlier this day, so all I really had to do was break down my lights and then the living room would be pretty much clean. I had a little bit of trouble with that zipper there. Sorry for this dead space. I was putting things away in the kitchen and I just haven't quite figured out the best way to film cleaning from room to room. So if any of you watch or make cleaning videos, let me know your process. Uh-oh, blurry time. Here I am, blurrily cleaning the footrest in my blurry living room. I never remember to dust off this area, so it really needed it. And here's the finished living room. Thank you guys so much for watching. Go ahead and click the subscribe button if you're interested in more videos like this, and I promise I'll get better at them.